common concept of following a process to design instruction and evaluation was consistent throughout my time in the MET program. These processes include important steps to identify end goals and then make sure the instruction or evaluation effectively meets those goals. The process of instructional design was brought to my attention in EdTech 503. In this course, I designed a training workshop for teachers to learn the basics of Promethean boards and accompanying accessories. Through this project, I learned that as the instructor, I need to understand what the learner should know at the end of the lesson. By mapping out the end goals at the beginning of the design process, I can then create instructional materials and activities that I think will best help the learners achieve academic success. For this report, I conducted a needs analysis, including a survey from the learners. I identified the training objectives, created the instruction, and detailed the evaluation strategies I would use to know the learners gained knowledge and that the training was successful. I was first introduced to technology evaluations in EdTech 554, where I worked with a partner to evaluate a technology rollout of smartboards at an elementary school. This project included different categories for the rollout, with benchmarks of complete, developing, emerging, or not initiated, to show the degree of the rollout meeting its objectives and whether or not it was effective and successful. While this rubric is an evaluation rubric, it doesn't go into the details of the processes and steps of the actual evaluation to know how each category met each benchmark. My understanding of the evaluation process emerged in EdTech 505, where I conducted a real evaluation on a program used in an Idaho school district. The evaluation included program objectives and components, the evaluation method I used to determine if the program was meeting its objectives, sources from which I collected data from, and also the findings and the results. From the lessons I've learned in instructional design, I will be able to create meaningful lessons that have a specific purpose. My students will always know what their learning goals are, as well as what the lesson is going to teach them. My new knowledge in evaluation opens many doors. I now have a set of skills to offer my school or district in the evaluation of technology products, programs, and processes.